that A1 water right here. Not gonna lie, that tastes pretty good. Let me get a little bit more. Hold up. It's good. It's damn good. Do y'all notice anything different around here? Anything at all? Even just a little bit? Even if it's like this much? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I'm not sure. Sniper Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. As you guys can see, I'm upgrading the camera quality. I'm not gonna lie. I am totally in love with this camera, but I ain't gonna cap, bro. It's extremely hard to work. So look, bear with me. It's gonna be a lot of trial and errors on these new uploads because I'm literally learning how to work this camera as we speak. I have no idea what the hell I am doing. However, I'm super excited for the video today, man. Make sure y'all drop a like, comment. I got a lot of stuff coming for the channel. I need to do a new backdrop. I'm really getting tired of seeing like the same thing. Regardless, hey man, make sure you sub to the channel if you are new, guys. Welcome back to another video where everything from reviews, on foot, even sneaker news is all here on this channel. Oh, by the way, I will be uploading a lot more Sniper Jones TV as well. A lot of big announcements coming up very soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Now, before we open up this package, guys, I want to tell you to check out Reshoevn8r. Reshoevn8r is the only sneaker cleaning solution that I use on a day-to-day basis for all of my sneakers. Now, in this box is literally everything that I need for a day-to-day basis, whether it comes from cleaning my shoes before they get dirty, or even spraying stuff on them to protect them before they get dirty, and even after they get dirty. In order to do the job, I use Reshoevn8r. I've done several videos where rather I put ketchup on them. I even told my boy Holla, look, I'll give you a brand new pair of Jordan 11 breads if you can dirty my breads up and I can't get them back right. I've literally had that much success and that much trust in using this product. Now, the box I just showed you is a Reshoevn8r signature cleaning kit, which is right here. In this comes everything that you will need to get your sneakers A1, okay? Now, they also have stuff in here to prevent your shoes from being. Now, if you use my link, which is down below in the description, it'll take you directly to the website in order to buy any of your Reshoevn8r products. Tell me your boy Snipe sent you. I guarantee it takes care of you. If you guys are kind of skeptical about it, feel free to go and check out any of my videos with Reshoevn8r. All you gotta do is type in Sniper Jones Reshoevn8r or Sniper Jones sneaker cleaning, and I'm telling you, it did the job. I even used it to clean my Adidas Yeezy slides, and now they back A1 perfect, and it looked like I walked to Zamunda and back. So trust me, guys, it definitely worked, and I just want to put y'all on to the best. All right, so check it out. It's linked down below. So check it out. In the studio today, we got a sneaker I've been waiting to get for a while now. I really wanted to pull the trigger a lot earlier than I did, but I was smart enough to hold out, and I'm gonna tell you why in just a second. Yeah, here we have the box. Nothing crazy about the box. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I really could not wait to open that up, okay? I'm just being honest with y'all. But the real reason why this box is in my hands, pause, my guy, Disciplined Dave. If y'all don't know Disciplined Dave, he actually looked out on me, and I believe I bought the Yeezy 700 V3s from him. He has a workout and fitness channel. I'm gonna link down below in the description. I need y'all to go ahead, head over to his channel, show him some love, because he just gave your boy Snipe yet another deal I could not refuse. I've been telling y'all that I've been trying my best not to buy sneakers I really didn't care too much about, and I really wanted to focus and lock in on sneakers that I love, really wanted to move forward with. So this is another pair of sneakers that I really liked. I wanted to pull a trigger. I was hesitant, but I got a great deal that I honestly couldn't refuse. I mean, y'all all seen the Mafia movies, right? I'm gonna give you an offer that you can't refuse. Now, y'all already seen the box, so y'all already know how we coming through, man. The box pretty much says it all. Whenever you get this box looking all like this, looking all fine, all glistening and shining all over the place, you know some heat in this box, bro. My people that's cheating, man, they'll calm down. I know you probably seen what it was through, like, you know what I'm saying, the Swiss holes. I got a banger inside the studio, man. I am super, super excited. I don't know why. I tell you all the time, a lot of sneakers come out, only a few really excite me enough to talk about. But this one grabbed my attention early, and I'm happy to finally have it. So, on the label, we got another pair of Dunk Lows, size 11.5. Now, really, Dunks really fit very much true to size. I didn't know I can fit Dunks 11.5 until I got my Syracuse Dunks. I'm hoping these fit well because I didn't try them on before I bought them. But whatever, I'm a 12. The half size shouldn't kill me. I don't really rock my kicks all the time, so the few times I do wear this shoe, it shouldn't be a problem. Of course, you know the off-white paper is in here, so it's an off-white Dunk. But which off-white Dunk is it? Drop a comment down below and tell me what shoe you think it is. I'm gonna give you a quick second. Go ahead and tell me what you think it is. Wow, here we have it. The green and black rubber Dunk Low, man. This one was absolutely crazy. If you're looking at this, whether it be the colorway, whether it be the rubber on the upper, of course we got the orange zip tie, just black and green just speaks volumes to me, man. I've seen this on so many people's Instagram accounts. So many people was raving about this one. I had to go out and pull a trigger and get a pair myself. This shoe is so clean, bro. So clean. I mean, golly, look at this. I couldn't resist. I couldn't resist. Here go the other pair right here, bro. I just could not resist, especially for the price I got. Now, I ain't gonna cap. I know it's a lot of y'all like, look, Snipe, let's be honest. Now, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of y'all already DM'd me and told me, look, Snipe, this shoe wouldn't even be popping if it wasn't off-white. A lot of y'all said that this shoe looked like it's headed to a Ross outlet near you, but somehow they threw some hype on it and everybody liked it. I'm not gonna sit here and say you lying. Then I will be lying. Of course, Off-White has something to do with me wanting this shoe. Absolutely. I can speak honestly about that. But also, what I can say is y'all know I've been on my dunks very heavy. I love the black and green colorway very much. My favorite color is orange, which y'all already know. And this is a perfect example of all of those qualities in one shoe. Does Off-White add hype to any release? Of course. But the resale of this shoe is not going for that high for me to just pick these up just because of, you know, the actual resale market. So I had to pick them up. These is hard, bro. I mean, these are extremely tough. Look at the outer sole. This Volt green is not just an everyday green. You definitely gonna get some attention or at least turn some heads from that Volt green. Then you got like this black rubber along the whole midsoles, even rubber on the toe box. That toe box right there, that is completely rubber. It's rubber on the side panel. Y'all see in the studio just how electric the colorway is with the zip tie on it. That it's a vibe, bro. This shoe is a vibe. Now, compared to all the other Off-Whites, it might not be like the most luxurious, but it's something that I like. It's something that I cannot wait to rock. One of the things I'm very interested in doing is swapping out the laces to this green lace. I know a lot of y'all probably seen the green laces on these before. The black laces is cool, don't get me wrong, but with the green laces on these, bro, this is an entirely different shoe. By the way, if y'all hear me stuttering or slurring, I got my braces tightened back up, bro, and my mouth is on fire. I ain't gonna hold you. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. My mouth is killing me. I was actually gonna throw the green laces in before I made the video, but something just told me to, you know what I'm saying, slow it down, calm down, show y'all the shoe first, and then I'll throw in the laces. And if y'all follow me on Instagram, which you should be following me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, bro, what are you doing? If you following me on Instagram, then of course I will throw these on the IG, maybe on my story, or maybe even throw them on foot, throw a pickup, and you guys can check them out. But I'm definitely throwing in the green laces. This is a fire pickup to me. Nike Dunk been coming out with a lot, bro. I mean, I bought more dunks this year than I ever have in my life. And I don't want to say I'm a hype beast, but at the same time, I have to be honest. The honesty is I really didn't rock with the dunks until like 2018, 2019. That's really when I started going heads and shoulders for dunks. I'm not really sure. I think it was the Diamond Supply collab that really pulled me all the way in, because even then before that, I was just here and there. I was here and there, but now I feel like I'm all the way in. Just about every dunk that comes out, I'm pretty much going for, or I'm at least mad that I'm not even at least like getting a fair chance of getting. And I'm actually surprised that the dunk actually came back, because they died for a long time. And that's why I'm making this statement. I know it's a lot of true SB guys out there, a lot of true dunk guys out there. And by the way, okay, let me make this clear. In my last video, I did like a top 10 fall sneakers. I know the difference between a dunk and the SB, okay? I talk about shoes all damn day. If I mistakenly call a dunk a SB, it's not because lack of knowledge. It's just because, bro, I got a million different shoes on my mind. It be sometimes I literally pick up a shoe like this and I'll be like, yeah, the Air Jordan 1, and then I'll have to retake it. I'm telling you, bro, like it really catches up with you. When you talk about shoes and review shoes every single day, ask any content creator, bro. It be some times where your mind just go blank sometimes. So, hey, take it easy on your boy Snipe, bro. I know the difference, okay? I'm happy, man. I'm good. I ain't gonna cap. I'm good. I'm feeling good about this purchase. And, yeah, man, I'm excited to put these in the collection. And, yeah, more dunks to come. That's for sure. But I appreciate you guys tuning in to another video, man. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions of this video. Also, make sure if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are grinding, trying to hit 100K before the end of the year. Last but not least, guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They will both be linked down below. I appreciate it. Huge shout out to the homie Dave for throwing a lob on these, man. I appreciate it. And until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.